Ever wished you could install Ubuntu on your computer without a disk? First, you need to get the Ubuntu operating system. Head to the Ubuntu website and download the latest desktop ISO. This is the file you'll use to install Ubuntu, and it typically ends in ISO. Locate the downloaded ISO file. It will be important later. Now it's time to prepare our tool, Rufus. Next, download the Rufus software from its official website. Rufus is also a quick and easy download. Insert your USB drive into your computer. Remember that this process will erase everything on the drive, so back up any important data. Launch the Rufus application initially. Rufus will show you the available USB drives. Choose the USB drive you want to make bootable. Then, click Select and browse to the Ubuntu ISO file you downloaded earlier. After selecting the ISO, Rufus will usually auto-detect the optimal settings. However, you might need to choose whether you want to create the drive for a standard BIOS boot or UEFI boot, which has become standard. Pay close attention to the prompts, or you can leave these settings at their default values. Now, click Start. Rufus will warn that all data on the USB drive will be erased. Confirm this by clicking OK. Rufus will then begin creating the bootable USB drive, displaying a progress bar. Once the process is complete, Rufus will display ready. You can now use this USB drive to install Ubuntu on another computer by booting from it.